my country people. Good evening, Nigeria. Good evening, Cameroon. Good evening, Ethiopia. Good evening, Eritrea. Good afternoon, wherever you are, guys. So, I come here today for this YouTube, guys. We can talk about some women, them. Women, whether they want kill their man before their time. Make una sorry say this my video I did do am for broken because I want to see me all the women them may they hear. Even Ghana go hear me, Nigeria go hear me, Cameroon women go hear me. All the women the way that they Europe here, they are very, 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 very lazy women. Some of the women them, especially Deutschland, I am in Germany. I'm talking about the women in Germany. Some of them, they here for Germany. 15 years, they never get Dutch passport. Why? Because say for that 15 years, they are still living under job center. So woman go don be here 15 years, the children go don big, the woman don start work. Just because of 250 euro or 100 euro, the woman no go green comot for job center. He go find 5 hours work the work. That 5 hours, if he pay rent. If you tell her, say, sister, why you no want come out for job center? Now you the work. He go say, no, I need that job center, their money, oh, it dey help. 250 or 100 euro. It dey make you no fit get unbefisted. It go make you no fit get Dutch pass. Why we women them we no fit stand up? We join with our man, we work together, we take care for our family. If this social system no be there for jobs for Germany here, this job center no be there. Like country like Spain, other women with their husband, they are surviving. Country like Italy, other family with their husband, they are surviving. Why German woman? E go the work, e go still the one collect job center. Why you no fit write letter, wake up one morning, write letter for job center, say, thank you for the rest of the years the way you don't help me. I no want again. I go fit take care for myself. My information today for all the women I say, if you don't there for Deutschland 10 years, you never tell job center bye-bye. As you see this my video today, tomorrow morning, wake up, write job center, say, you no want. May that he help you again so that may you fit get your stay, you fit get your German passport. Or if you no want German passport, you fit even get unbefisted. So that may you too, you dey like the second citizen for German if you hold unbefisted. For example, may I give you an example. You have a house. You get a house where you pay for 600 euro. You find 5 hours work. Maybe that 600 euro house, you get 3 children or 4 children. You dey collect kindergarten. You dey collect Unterhalt. You find 5 hours work. You fit write job center, say you no dey there again, because if you take your work money, you pay every month, pay your house, you can still survive with Unterhalt and kindergarten. You don't need to be running up and down under tram, under rain, under sun, under bus. We are running all the time to go and leave paper for job center. What if you want run one day, you've collapsed inside tram, you die, or inside bus, you die, just because of 250 euro or 150 euro? You are giving stress for yourself. Why? Some of the women then too, they go there for YouTube. They do YouTube. They say money dey YouTube, money dey YouTube, money dey YouTube. At the end of the day, they go dey take their husband account, make YouTube dey transfer them the money. Why? Because they wan still dey collect that chicken change from job center. Job center dey still pay their house. Job center dey still give am €250. Why are we depending on government? Why we no fit work like how other people don work for us for come eat? Why? At the end of the day, that kinder get sef winter height, e dey bring problem for their family. At the end of the day, government go come house, write you letter, say today you don okay, like for example, may I give you example. You get one pikin, that's very man go sign. You get second pikin, that very man go sign. You get third pikin, that very man go sign. Una no dey even shame sef or go do that signing together all the time. Government go see you one day, na that very man. Two pikin, na that very man. Three pikin, na that very man. The man no fit stand on his feet for say make he take care for a family. He go leave you for social. He dey work, he dey put the money for his pocket. The day wey job center go write letter say they dey come for house, for come visit your house, for see whether the man dey stay inside your house. That day you go see the man go run go hide for toilet. He go run go hide inside toilet. Or he go run go hide for balcony. Just because of €250 from job center. Any woman, any African woman wey e see this my video, abeg make una help me share this video. Pass the information for all the women wey dey hear wetin wey I dey talk, for all the women for Deutschland. Even as Spain, even as Sweden, pass the message for them that they have to start on their feet. They get for stand up like women. They get for the stand up like women, support their man. Like for example now, you see work 5 hours every day. Your man see work 8 hours every day. Una go put una resident inside one house. E bad as e bad, your man fit bring 1.5 for house. E bad as e bad, you too fit bring €1,000 for house. Na €2,000 that. €2,500 if I no make mistake, na it be that. Kinderget go join there. If Kinderget don join, the money don come up small. Una fit live with that one. Una go pay house rent inside. If after una finish pay house rent, change go remain. At least for those children, make children get their papa for house. Make children get their papa wey go wake up every morning, go leave them for school. Make children go, make dem get their papa wey they go school, come back. They know say that daddy is at home. Their papa no go dey fear. Say, may I go hide, government dey come, may I go hide, may job center no see me, may they no kill me. Why? Why are we African people behaving like animal? Wherever we go, we dey behave like animal. Woman go dey. Some women they dey here sef, they know the collect social. Some men them, they marry their woman for Africa, bring, they know the collect social. But at the end of the day, the woman go come be na stress for the man. The man go carry and come. He no go wan learn language. He no go wan work for help the man. If you tell her say go do this, he go say no, I am tired. I still work for you here. No, I cannot do it. You wan kill that man? If that man be lazy before he marry you, bring for Africa, you for come Europe, come see house for live. Why you no fit wake up? These women, the way that they bring for Africa, why una no fit wake up for assist una mend them? If you see 3 hours work the work, you fit support your man. Your man go dey pay rent while you dey give food. Must that man die for you because the man married you? You go wan rub cream, daddy, please, so I need money for cream. You go wan buy salt, daddy, please, or mommy. What is that? You people want to kill una husband? Una want kill una husband? May una African women, dem may una learn. May una learn for the help una husband. At least that man go get more days to live. If una dey go outside, tell your daddy, if you are living with your husband, your man married you come from Africa. Daddy, I'm looking for work. Daddy will help you and look for 2 hours work because your husband don't stay for Deutschland. He know the road more than you. 2 hours work, that one fit help you for the buy your cream. That one fit help you for send your mama money for Africa. Or your family, any relative wey you get for help, if he help you use am for your family for Africa. No be say you go dey call your man for everything, salt and pepper with him maggi. If you see most of the men they here for Europe, they don't get gray hair. All them on top of their head. Jesus. These women, them, more na take time, oh. You see some men, then they go to work for roads, they talk only them within their self. You go one ask and say, brother, now wait see happen. Why you dey talk you? Why go say, no be this woman where I get for house. My sisters them, I come out here like fellow woman, can't beg una. May una learn for be una husband keeper. May una no kill the una husband, I beg.
Guess what? I'm going out.
May una no kill una husband. I dey beg una na beg am. Any woman where you see this video helpful, or any man where you see this video helpful, I beg. May una help me share am for other women them. And if una like my discussion, for say make the discussion continue, may una send me message, inbox me. If you finish look the video, if you don't know how for send me message, if you finish look the video, scroll the video, go up. You scroll and go up. Then for down, you'll see comments. You can write your comment and send it for me there. I will reply you. But I'm not staying at home. Oh, I'm not a staying at home mom. I have 4 children. 4 children. But I'm going to work. I'm going to school in the morning. 12 o'clock I will close. I go to work. From work, I will come back and take care of my children. Because in the afternoon, my husband is there to help me with the children. Saturday, I go where I have my truck, where I'm doing my loading. I'm doing shipping to Africa. So on Saturday, when I'm going there, guys, if you guys like, I will take you guys along with me. So let me leave you guys. I just came back from work. I decided to make this video because I talked with one brother inside tram, inside S-Bahn today. So the thing overpaid me. I say as that brother they talk with me, so they want cry. Man, he want cry because of the stress where a woman they give him. Mon the end, so that man know they get even 20 euro for it. In short, 20 euro for a pocket money, pocket allowance. For say if he reach some place with his friend them that they eat together or that they drink beer together, I go fit buy 1 bottle beer, he drink. He no get that money don't finish. We are on the 20th. Today is 20th. the man in hand clean, not in no day. The man dey talk with me, dey cry, so that I pity am. But I no behold no change for my hand. If I behold something like 20 euro or 10 euro, I forgive am. So una women, I dey beg una. I dey beg una, make una learn for support una man. And all the women wey dey Dutchland, make una comot for job center, go work. So that make una fit get permanent. Even no be permanent, una go get permanent document. They write am for, they say second citizen of German inside the document. If you don't get that home before, you be second citizen for German. It is very important. If you want get passport, you go school, go get behind. So women them are the beg una. Una know something? This discussion ends here. I'm coming back from work. I need to shower and sleep. So I talk to you guys later. Bye bye.